Hi students, today let's talk about the AIM2 trigonometric ratio of compound angles. We know what are the trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Here compound angles. What is compound angles? Suppose only sin A, if I say, that is only the trigonometric ratio involving only one angle, that is A. Suppose the trigonometric ratio involving with two angles, then it is said to be compound angles. These two angles may be adding or subtracting. So two or more angles when we combine, that is said to be compound angles. Now in this lesson you need to learn all these formulas. Let me say you sin A plus B equals sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B equals sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Next, tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Next, cot A plus B equals cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B. Cot A plus cot B. Sorry, this is plus. Cot A minus B equals cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Apart this, two more important formulas are there. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. A plus B, A minus B, these two are compound angles. When we multiply them, we will get sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Remember this. Sin square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus cos square A. Then cos A plus B into cos A minus B. In this case, cos square A minus sin square B or cos square B minus sin square A. Students, one tips I will give for this sin and cos. See, suppose sin A plus B you are going to write. Take sin and cos and sin. Okay. First sin, after cos, next cos, sin. Look here, in mean inside what is the sign? Plus, then you should take plus. Suppose sin A minus B means first sin cos sin, AB. But inside what is the sign? Minus. Then you should take inside sign as it is. So here plus means here plus, minus means minus. Here AB common. Sin cos sin, sin cos sin. This is for sin. For cos A plus B and cos A minus B. In this, you need to take first cos both, after sin. AB, that is common. Then here plus means, look here, OS means you can think it as opposite sign. OS, opposite sign. Inside plus is there means what is the opposite of plus? Minus. Here minus means what is the opposite of minus? That is plus. So this you can remember very well. Tan A plus B comes means tan A plus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. A minus B means numerator will become minus, denominator will become plus. Cot, just you need to reciprocal these two. See, in the place of tan A tan B, take cot A cot B and reciprocal. Here 1 minus tan A tan B is there. That reciprocal means first you should take cot A cot B minus 1. Then cot A plus cot B as it is. If you reciprocal this part you need to write first. Cot A cot B instead of tan A tan B plus 1 by, here tan A minus tan B. Here you should write cot B minus cot A. So remember this sign part, plus means inside what is there, same sign. Cos time opposite sign we should take. So these are the important formulas. Based on these formulas only we need to discuss the questions. So you need to by heart all these formulas. You may think how it comes, sir. If I start explaining one by one, more than 1.5 page, each equation takes to derive the sin A plus B, sin A minus B, all the formulas, more than 1 pages steps are there, so that you just remember it is enough. Okay, now simplify challenges. First question, cos 100 degree into cos 40 plus sin 100 degree into sin 40. If you look at this, both are cos, both are sin, and it is plus. Both are cos, both are sin comes in only cos case. Here plus is there means here minus. Cos A minus B, how do you write? Cos A cos B minus sin is there means opposite sign, plus sin A sin B. So this question is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This formula is nothing but cos A minus B. Remember the formula, student. See here, cos A cos B, here plus is there means minus, minus is there means you need to take plus. Okay, sin A sin B. Look here, it is plus. So this given question is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. For this, what is the answer? Cos A minus B. Therefore cos A is 100 minus B is 40. 100 minus 40 is what? 60. So cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree. Okay, no? Just you need to remember the formulas. Next question, cos 340 into cos 40 degree plus sin 200 degree into sin 140 degree. What I am doing here, this 340 can I write 4 into 90 minus 20. 4 into 90 is 360 minus 20 is 340. Cos 40 as it is plus sin as it is 200, can I write 2 into 90 plus 20. 2 into 90 is 180. 180 plus 20 is 200 into sin 140. This 140 I can write it as 2 into 90 minus 40. 290, 180. 180 minus 40, 140. Now n is even number, so there is no change of trigonometric ratio. Cos only we should take 20 degree. 340, which quadrant? 340 means it is above 270, below 360, means in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, therefore plus. Next for this, cos 40 as it is plus. Here it is even number, therefore sin ratio as it is we should take 20 degree. Theta also as it is. 200 degree means it is above the 180, below the 270, means 200 comes in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, Sign is what? Negative. Therefore, my result sign is minus for this. Into here even number 2. Therefore, sign ratio as it is we should take. No changes in the ratios. Theta is 40 degree and the given angle is 140. Where this 140 comes? 140 comes in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is what? Positive. Therefore, my result sign is plus. Now cos 20 as it is into cos 40 as it is, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Sin 20 as it is, sin 40 as it is. Look at this. Cos, cos, sin, sin, a b, cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b, cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. What is this formula? Cos a plus b. Here plus comes means opposite sign we will get, no? Cos a plus b formula. What is cos a plus b? Cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b. So here cos a, cos b minus sin a, sin b is there, so that we can write it as cos a plus b. So cos as it is, a is what? 20, b is what? 40. 20 plus 40, 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 degree is nothing but half. Cos 60 degree is half. Next, question number 2. Next question. If a plus b equals 45, then prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equals 2. The given condition, a plus b equals 45 degree. Both side I will take tan ratio I am taking. So tan a plus b formula, remember the formula, tan a plus b is nothing but tan a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That I am writing here, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan 45 value 1. Next, tan a plus tan b as it is, this denominator I am transposing to right hand side. It is multiply with 1. So 1 into 1 minus tan a tan b is nothing but 1 minus tan a tan b. Now this tan a tan b I will transpose to left side, it will become plus tan a tan b, right hand side is equal to 1. Now tan a as it is, tan b as it is, plus tan a tan b as it is, both left hand side and right hand side I am adding 1. So 1 plus 1 become 2. Now tan a I am writing as it is. This tan a tan b, second place I am shuffling these two places, this tan b and tan a tan b, these two places I am shuffling. So tan a as it is, tan a tan b plus 1 equals 2. Now in this two term, tan a is common. When I take tan a common, remaining is 1 plus tan b. Here tan a I took common. Here there is no common, that means there will be 1 common. So 1 plus tan b as it is. Now you look at this second step, this 1 plus tan b as it is. Here 1 plus tan b, here 1 plus tan b common. When I take these two 1 plus tan b, 1 plus tan b common, remaining tan a plus 1, that is equal to 2. This is what I need to prove. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equals 2. Look here, 1 plus tan a, 1 plus tan b equals 2. Just let me explain how I did here. This minus tan a tan b I transposed. Right hand side 1 is left. This term and tan b I interchange their positions. Then here first term and second term I took tan a common, remaining 1 plus tan b. Here 1 plus tan b is left. Okay. Now again 1 plus tan b, 1 plus tan b common I took, remaining tan a plus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equals 2. Next question. If A, B, C are angles of a triangle and none of them is equal to pi by 2, pi by 2 matlab 90 degree. Then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals tan A tan B tan C. Okay, now I am taking A plus B plus C equals 180 because sum of three angles of triangle is 180. I am transposing C to right hand side. A plus B equals 180 minus C. Both side I am taking tan. So tan A plus B, tan 180 minus C. Tan A plus B as it is equals tan 180. Can I write 2 into 90 minus C? 2 into 90 is not 180. Formula. Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equals. Here n is even number. So tan ratio we should write as it is. Theta is C. And 2 times of 90 minus C means which quadrant it is? 1 time 2 times 90 minus theta. Minus theta means it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is what? Negative. So my result sign is minus. Next step. Tan A plus tan B as it is minus tan C. This denominator I am transposing to right side. It will multiply with minus tan C. Now tan A plus tan B as it is equals minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. Minus into minus plus tan A tan B into tan C equals tan A tan B tan C. This minus tan C I will transpose to left side. Tan A tan B minus tan C, when you transpose to left side it will become plus tan C. That is equal to tan A tan B tan C. So this is what I need to prove. Tan A tan B tan C equals tan A tan B tan C. Prove that. Question number 4. Tan 50 degree minus tan 40 degree equals 2 times of tan 10 degree. See, 50 minus 10. One second. 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40 is how much? 10. Both side I am taking 10. See, 50 minus 40 is equal to what? 10, no? Then both side I am taking tan. Tan 50 minus 40 equals tan 10. Both side if I take tan 50 minus 40 equals tan 10. Now it is in the form of tan A minus B. What is tan A minus B formula? Tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Apply this. Tan A minus B equals tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan 50 tan 40 equals tan 10. Now tan 50 minus tan 40 as it is upon 1 as it is plus this tan 50 is there, no? Can I write 90 minus 40? Tan as it is 90 minus 40 is 50. This tan 40 as it is equals tan 10. Tan 50 as it is minus tan 40 as it is. Now 1 as it is plus remember the complement angle. What is that? Tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, right? Similarly tan 90 minus 40 in the theta plus 40 is that tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. So this I can write it as cot theta plus 40 into tan 40 equals tan 10 as it is. Tan 50 minus tan 40 as it is upon 1 plus cot if I reciprocal 1 by tan 40. Cot 40 if I reciprocal 1 by tan 40 into tan 40 equals tan 10. Tan 40 get cancelled. So tan 50 minus tan 40 upon 1 as it is plus 1. These two get cancelled means 1 is left equals tan 10. Tan 50 minus tan 40 equals 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. When you transpose 2 it is multiply with tan 10. So 2 times of tan 10. This is what we want to prove. Tan 50 minus tan 40 equals 2 times of tan 10 degree. So how did I start? Just I consider 50 minus 40 equals 10. Take tan both side. Apply the formula tan A minus B and use the complement triangle. You will reach the answer. Okay. Next question. If tan A plus B equals root 3, tan A equals 1, then find the angle B. So they given tan A plus B equals root 3. Tan A plus B as it is I am writing. Root 3, can I write tan 60? Because tan 60 degree is root 3. Therefore root 3 I can write it as tan 60. Both side tan get cancelled. So A plus B is what? 60 degree. Then one more condition they given. Tan A equals 1. So tan A equals this 1. I can write it as tan 45 because tan 45 degree is what? 1. Therefore 1 I can write tan 45. Both side tan get cancelled. Then A equals 45. This I am substituting in this A place. Plus B equals 60. Then B is 60 transpose 45. It will become minus. So angle B equals 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. Now let's go to the packages. In parallel package, first question, tan 69 degree plus tan 66 degree by 1 minus tan 69 degree into tan 66 degree. If I look this, it's just like a tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So it is just like a tan A plus B formula. So remember the formula, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. It is nothing but tan A plus B. Therefore this I can write it as tan A plus B form. A is 69, B is 66. When you add you will get 135. This 135 I can write it as 2 into 90 minus 45 because 290 is a 180. 180 minus 45 is 135. Now this 135 comes in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative and it is even number, so there is no change in the ratio. So tan as it is, theta is 45, minus as it is, tan 45 value 1. Therefore the answer is minus 1. Understood? Remember this formula, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Just this is in this format. This you can write it as tan A plus B. So A is 69, B is 66. Then it is 69 plus 66. Then if you simplify that, you will get minus 1. Next second question. Tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta value we should find. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degree. 3 pi by 4 is nothing but 135 degree. This tan 135 degree, how to, let us find the value. Just before I found that tan 135 is how much? Tan 135 is minus 1. If you want I will explain here. 2 times of 90 minus 45 is nothing but 135. So even number n. So tan as it is, theta is 45. 135 lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant tan is negative, so that my result is minus tan 45 value 1. Okay. Then at the same time pi by 4. What is pi by 4 value? Tan 45. Tan 45 value is what? 1. See, tan pi by 4 value 1. Tan pi by 4 is, let me write over here, tan pi by 4 value 1. Tan 3 pi by 4 value minus 1. Now this is just like tan A plus B formula, no? This part. So what is formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This entire thing into, this is also tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Any doubt? Just I am applying the formulas. Tan 45 value, we know that is 1 plus tan theta as it is by 1 minus tan 45 value is what? 1. 1 into tan theta is tan theta. Tan 3 pi by 4 value we found that is minus 1. Take minus 1 plus tan theta as it is by 1 as it is minus this 3 pi by 4 value is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into tan theta as it is. Next step, 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into minus 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus into minus plus 1 into tan theta, tan theta. Next, see here, this 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta get cancelled. What is left? Minus 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta left. In the numerator, I will take minus common. When I take minus common, this 1 will become plus, this tan theta will become minus, because if you multiply you will get back same only. Minus into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus tan theta. So 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta both get cancelled, remaining minus 1. Here I took minus 1 minus common in these two, remaining 1 minus tan theta. Numerator 1 minus tan theta, denominator 1 minus tan theta get cancelled. The answer is minus 1. Next question, matrix matching. Here cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So cos formulas we need to remember. Cos time A minus B time. Here opposite sign minus is there means we should take plus. AB first to cos after sin, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is formula for this cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B plus is there means we should take minus sin A sin B. Now this as it is minus, remove the bracket, minus cos A cos B minus into minus plus sin A sin B. Now cos A cos B, cos A cos B both get cancelled, remaining 2 sin A sin B. Students, request you by seeing this answer, please match the following. Question number 4. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. You need to just apply the formulas. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus, what is sin A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Remove the bracket. This sin A cos B as it is plus cos A sin B as it is minus sin A cos B minus into minus plus cos A sin B. Now sin A cos B, this sin A cos B get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. So what is left? Cos A sin B, cos A sin B. So 2 times of cos A sin B left. When you divide this, these two get cancelled, remaining cos A sin B, cos A sin B. So sum is 2 cos A sin B. Next question, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Again formula you need to apply. Sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A minus B formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now this cos A sin B, cos A sin B get cancelled. So remaining sin A cos B, sin A cos B, 2 sin A cos B is the answer. Next question, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Again cos formula, cos cos sin sin, but here plus means opposite sign, minus. Again plus cos A minus B, cos cos sin sin, AB, here minus means here plus. Now which is going to cancel? Sin A plus sin A sin B get cancelled, remaining cos A cos B. So here also cos A cos B, 2 times of cos A cos B is the answer. Please check the answer and choose the right answers. Now emerald package, cos n plus 1 alpha into cos n minus 1 alpha minus sin n plus 1 alpha into sin n minus 1 alpha. We should find this alpha I will multiply. So alpha into n, alpha alpha 1's alpha, alpha into n, alpha 1's alpha minus sin n into alpha, n alpha, alpha into 1 alpha, sin n into alpha, n alpha, alpha into 1 alpha. Now look very carefully. This is cos, sin, this is a, this is b. Here also a, b. A is n alpha, n alpha plus alpha, n alpha plus alpha. This is a. B means n alpha minus alpha, n alpha minus alpha. So this is a, b, sin, cos, sin, minus. So by seeing this, what you can understand. See students, this is a, this is b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. A means n alpha, b means alpha. There is one formula. What is that? Cos a plus b, cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. See here, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. A plus b, a minus b. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b time. What is the formula? Cos square a minus sin square b. This I will apply. Cos square a means n alpha minus sin square b. Sin square b is what? Alpha. Okay na? Here I used cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula, cos square a minus sin square b. This formula I used. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b is what? Cos square a minus sin square b. So cos square a minus sin square b. B is alpha. Minus again sin, this is a, this is b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b. See this formula, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, what? Sin square a minus sin square b. That I am using. Sin square a is what? N alpha minus sin square b. Sin square b is what? Alpha. Just I am using the formula. Now remove the brackets. Cos square n alpha minus sin square n alpha minus sin square n alpha, minus into minus plus sin square alpha. Here plus sin square alpha minus sin square alpha get cancelled. So what is left? Cos square n alpha minus sin square n alpha left. Remember students, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Theta place I am taking n alpha. So sin square n alpha plus cos square n alpha is 1. Now sin square n alpha you keep left side. Transpose this right side. 1 minus cos square n alpha. Now this sin square n alpha place I am taking 1 minus cos square n alpha. This place. Now cos square n alpha minus sin square n alpha plus 1 minus cos square n alpha. Cos square n alpha as it is minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square n alpha. Cos square n alpha, cos square n alpha, 2 times of cos square n alpha minus 1. Students, it is one more formula which you will learn in the multiples and submultiple lesson. There is one formula, cos 2 theta or cos 2a equals 2 cos square a minus 1. Your answer is in this form, 2 cos square a plus what is there, n alpha minus 1. This you can write cos 2a, so this you can write it as cos 2a plus what is there, n alpha. So this is your answer. Okay, na? This is your final answer. You can choose the option. So this formula you will learn in the next game. Okay, so just I used here cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula, cos square a minus sin square a. Here sin a plus b, sin a minus b formula, sin square a minus sin square b. I got this. And again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. In the place of theta, if I take n alpha, transpose this right side. In the sin square n alpha place you take this, simplify, you will get this. This is equal to this. Why? Remember, using this formula cos 2a equals to cos square a minus 1. This formula you will learn in the multiples and submultiples lesson. Okay, na? Next question. Cos square 45 minus sin square for sin square 15. So cos square minus sin square 15. Okay, by looking this you will remember one formula, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. What is the formula? Cos square a minus cos square b. Yes or no? Cos square a minus cos square b. See the formula, cos a plus b, cos a minus b means cos square a minus sin square b. Actually this is cos square a minus sin square b. This is sin. So cos square a minus sin square b is nothing but cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula, cos square a minus sin square b. Your given question is in this form, cos square a minus sin square b form. This we can write in this form, therefore this we should write in this form. So cos a is what? 45, b is 15 into cos 45 minus 15. 45 plus 15 is 60, 45 minus 15 is 30. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 into 2, 4. So root 3 by 4. Next question. Cos square 15 degree minus sin square 45 degree. So here b is greater, a is smaller. Cos and sin. We know that cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula. Before question cos square a minus sin square b. That same formula we can apply, because here cos square a minus sin square b form only it is here. Cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula is also cos square a minus sin square b. So cos as it is, a is what? 15 plus b is 45 into cos a is 15, b is minus 45. 15 plus 45 60, 15 minus 45 minus 30. So cos 60 as it is. Cos of minus 30 is nothing but cos 30. Why? We know that cos of minus theta is always cos theta plus cos theta. Cos and secant negative angle time, it will be positive. So cos minus 30 is cos 30. Cos 60 is nothing but half. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 2s are 4. Next question. Sin square for 75 degree minus sin square 15 degree. This is in the form of, just remember, sin a plus b into sin a minus b formula is sin square a minus sin square b. The given question is also like that only. Sin square a, sin square 75 minus sin square b, sin square 15. So this is equal to sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Therefore this we need to expand like this. So sin a plus b 75 plus 15 into sin a minus b 75 minus 15. Sum of these two is 90. So difference of these two 60. Sin 90 value 1. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Multiply, you will get root 3 by 2. Next question. I think these are matrix matching. Check once and choose the right answers. Cos square 15 minus cos square 75. Here B, this is smaller, this is greater. Both are cos. Remember, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, we can sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. So this cos square B minus cos square A. Cos square B minus cos square A, I can write sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Therefore, cos square B minus cos square A is nothing but sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Then sin A is what? You should assume this is B, this is A. Cos square B minus cos square A is nothing but sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Sin is A plus B. A is 75, B is 15. Sin A minus B. A is what? 75 minus 15. 75 plus 15 is 90. 75 minus 15 is 60. Sin 90 value 1. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Product is root 3 by 2. You need to check the options also. Other options. C and D. C is sin 420. This we can write it as 5 times of 90 minus 30. 5 times of 90 is 450. 450 minus 30 is 420. It is odd number, so sin become cos 30. And 420, where it is lies, in which quadrant? 5 times 90. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. Minus 30. Minus 30 means this is plus 30, this minus 30. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and minus 30 means first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin is positive. Therefore, my result sin is positive, plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Then cos 390. This we can write it as 4 times of 90 plus 30, because 360 plus 30, 390. So even number, so ratio as it is, theta is 30. Now 390, where it comes? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times 390 degree, plus theta means it is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cos is positive, so positive cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So which are the options are same? Look here, root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4. Then these two are root 3 by 2. This is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. So look at the right options which are give same answer. By seeing that, please complete the matrix matching. Thank you, students.